Is your fear of criticism keeping you from doing what you really want? Hey there, how are you? Cece Cheney here, and today I wanted to share a really quick quote with you that will help you if criticism and critics are what's holding you back from actually achieving your goals. So, this quote is from Brene Brown, and it's very simple. It goes, "If you're not in the arena, also getting your butt kicked, I'm not interested in your feedback." If you're not in the arena, also getting your butt kicked, I am not interested in your feedback. And I love this quote because it kind of just makes things plain and simple. Is this person in the arena too? And their criticism could be constructive and help me? Are they somebody watching, from the nosebleeds watching me, and they just have something to say, right? Because their feedback may or may not be important. So I'll give you a practical example for this. So one of the things that I used to be really, really, really scared of is what I'm doing right now, which is doing video. I never wanted to. I didn't want to do it, but I live overseas. I'm building a business online, and my mentors kept saying, "Cece, you need to do video, right? It's vital in today's day and age. It's necessary for social media marketing, right?" But internally, I didn't want to be criticized. I didn't want to be judged. I didn't want to have to put myself out there in that way. And I had to get over it, right? Because it's the reality, right? If you really want to be successful, there's certain things you need to step into. And video was one of those things for me in my business. It's made a big difference. Now, you might be thinking, okay, Cece, but did you get criticized? Yes. I still do, right? I am a very introverted person in real life. Like, doing all of this is not something I would do in real life, right? I'm a very introverted person in real life. I'm very like plain Jane, right? I'm a simple girl with dreadlocks and broken chipped tooth, right? Like, I get criticized. I get judged all the time. And if I don't show up in the way that I show up, I wouldn't get all the messages of thanks. I wouldn't have customers who are improving their health. I wouldn't have teammates who are growing a business, right? So is that criticism, is that judgment from people who aren't even in the arena important to me? No, right? I understand from Brene's quote that if my critics, my shamers, my doubters aren't out here doing the work every single day to make an impact like I am, then their feedback simply isn't worth my time. And that's the way you should be looking at things too. So I really want to encourage you today to do some reflecting on what you're not doing enough of because of a fear of judgment or criticism. This could be any number of things. Maybe you haven't started a business yet and that's something you've been wanting to do, but you're too scared because of you don't want to be criticized. Maybe you haven't changed your diet because you don't want people talking about your food. Hey, I've been there too. I get that all the time. It's a part of my daily life, but my health is so much better as a result. Right? Maybe you aren't hitting the gym because you don't want people to see you out in public. Trust me, I get it. Right? Maybe you're like me and you're too scared to do video because you don't want people judging you, right? Maybe it's something entirely different. But really take some time to reflect and figure out, what is it that I should be doing? What is it that I want to be doing, but I'm not allowing myself to do because of my fear of being criticized or judged or shamed or doubted, right? And once you figured out what that is, what that thing is that you're missing, send me a message and let me know what your new commitment is, right? Shoot me, hop on over to my page, hop in my messenger and say, "Hey, Cece, I've been thinking about it, and this is the area of my life that I want to improve, and I'm committed to doing it despite the shamers, despite the doubters." I want to hear it. I'm so proud of you for even thinking about it. So I can't wait to see my inbox with your message. And that's what I've got for you today. Ciao.